Good morning, traders. Manny Cabrera, co-founder of MDC Trading Academy, with today's pre-market forecast at end of the week review. Let's quickly look at our news items for today. Let's see. We have at 8:30 two pieces of important news: core PCE and personal spending, and at 9:45 the big Chicago PMI. Very careful with how you handle this news a little before it and after. And we have 10 o'clock revised UOM. So we have some pretty interesting news. We probably won't be getting started in any kind of trade until at least 10 o'clock in the morning, unless we have a clear direction market. Let's quickly run to our analysis chart, which is our daily chart. We start here. What we see here is obviously the market retracing, like I mentioned on Wednesday, from the all-time highs. Remember, three types of pullbacks. We have a sell-off, a profit-taking sell-off. We have a correction, which is 10%, or we have a panic sell-off or a crash. Market obviously can come all the way down to here, still be a 50% retracement. Of course, it'll be a substantial profit-taking correction, but it's still a healthy correction for the market. It's been hitting these all-time highs. It hit them twice, double top up there. We have a potential crossover of the 80-20, so we do have some more potential to move lower. Now, here it is, hanging on by the thread to the 200 moving average. If we break lower from there, the next area is going to be this 23, 32, 27, 32, 27, 28 area, which was one of our original support areas, which the market broke, held as resistance, broke through it. So that's the key right there. So keep your eye open for that. Market, as far as volume has kind of decreased a little bit since our highs here back in early May. But nonetheless, we're still having some pretty decent volume and good movement. So we'll see what happens here. Keep your eyes open for this 80 crossover. It's a very important key point in the market. Let's look here at our projection chart here. Chart is where we're actually looking at potential movements in the market that we need to keep our eye on in the near term. If we notice, we had this particular range here between the pink and the blue, which was holding the market for a while. Market breaks through. Now it's way below there, and here are our projected areas to the downside. And like I said, right about here, 27.28, 32.28 is our next potential one. If we break here, we break through here. Keep an eye, once again, like I said, on that potential 80-20 crossover, which causes a little bit of a selling off in the markets. Let's look here at our analysis chart here. Projected day here, we're below our intraday low of yesterday, so we're projecting more movement to the downside. We have a clear trend line down here, which is holding the market, which was holding the market here through the upside. Through the downside, market breaks through it. Now it's finding a little bit of support here at this level here. So this is our basic run here of market breaks through the intraday low, retraces back to it as support, breaks through it again, finds a little bit of a support here, and now the market breaks clearly through. You see the pattern: run, consolidate, run, consolidate. We'll see what kind of strength the market shows to the downside. We can see it more clearly here in our trade chart for today. Again, there's our market way below yesterday's intraday low. Here is the market, obviously, with its trend line here that eventually broke, attempting more continuation to the downside. And here's our latest support level. And there's what's holding the market up. Like I said, potential movement to the downside still continues very likely, particularly if we get that 80-20 crossover. So keep your eyes open and keep your eyes on news. Really important today. Take care. Have a great weekend.